Here is a build habit session for day 20. The task is you have to read dialogue based books. That is, you will get books that are in the form of dialogues, that is the conversations or some dialogues alone, not a paragraph. It is not like paragraphs, but it is in the form of dialogues. So you have to read books with dialogues. That helps you to understand conversational English. Like if you read these conversations between two or three people, it is very good for you, so that you can also use it in your daily conversation. So find some book you can buy, or you can download, or you can take it from a library, or no problem, anyways it is okay. So read such a book and feel the difference. Now the next word is whatsoever. Whatsoever means emphasizing none or not at all. And the example sentences are, I have no idea about the project whatsoever. Let's figure it out together. That means one team is telling that we don't have any idea about the upcoming project, and but the teammates are responding that we can sit together and discuss, and we can plan together, so there will be no problem. The next example is, there is no reason to panic whatsoever. That's a relief to hear. Some hospital cases are addressed, or some hospital emergencies addressed by a doctor, and doctor is telling that nothing to worry whatsoever. The doctor is telling like that, and by hearing that, the people are telling that, or the bystanders or the patient's relatives are telling that, oh, by hearing that, that is a great relief. And the next word is whatever. Whatever means anything or something, or showing indifference. Whatever, we'll tell now. Whatever you do, that is not a problem. See the examples. You can wear whatever you like to the party. Thanks, I will pick something comfortable. One girl is telling, like, girl might have asked like what to wear for the party, and her husband or a brother or family or mother, or if someone is telling that no problem, you can choose whatever you like. And she's replying that thanks, I will pick something comfortable. Next example sentence is, he just shrugged and said whatever. Maybe he wasn't in the mood to decide. One person told whatever. He told because of the reason that he was not in a good mood. That was the reply from the listener. That is the thing. Whatever it is. Coming, no problem, we'll face it without any fear, like that we'll tell, no, that is the thing. And the next word is literally. Literally, we use it every time, exactly as stated, or truly in a real sense. Exactly or truly will tell me, that is it. And example sentences are, I was literally running all day to finish the task. That sounds exhausting. One person is telling that literally I was running throughout the day. I was really running hard, I was roaming all around to do all my tasks. And by hearing that, the listener is telling that by hearing this thing itself, I am becoming exhausted. It's really exhausting task that you've done. And the next example is, he is really, literally the funniest person I know. I would love to meet him. One person is telling that, like they are talking about their common friend or his friend, one person's friend, and he's telling that he's the most funniest person I know. And the listener is telling that I would like to meet him, most funniest person. Literally, he's the funniest person. Really, he's the funniest person. That is the thing told. Now the next word is definitely. Definitely means without any doubt, used for strong affirmation. Without any doubt, no doubt, that is the right thing. Definitely it is the thing going to happen, like that we used to tell, no, that is it. Example sentences are, will you come to the meeting tomorrow? Definitely, I wouldn't miss it out. Two colleagues are discussing about the meeting, and one is asking that, will you come for the meeting? And the person is replying that definitely, yeah, sure, for sure I will come. That is a thing. And the next example, that's definitely the best solution we have come up with. I agree, let's go with it. Like some team members are discussing that we have come up with a very good solution. That is definitely the very best or the good solution for this problem, and we can go with that solution for that particular problem. That is the word definitely and its usages. Now, the next word for the day is hopefully. That means expressing a wish or expectation for something to happen. It's a hope, showing some hope. And the example sentences are, hopefully the weather will be nice for the picnic. Fingers crossed. One team is planning for some picnic, and they are telling that we can hope the weather will be good for us, so that we can arrange a very nice, or we can have a very good time in our picnic. Next example sentences, I'll call him later. Hopefully, he will answer. Let me know how it goes. One person is telling that I'll call a person that he's not responding, so that I'll call him after some time. And the listener is also telling, you let me know what is his response, that person's response, and let me also know that. That is the word hopefully. And one more word is here, eventually. Eventually means after a period of time or at the end of a process. Eventually means towards the end, or at last we'll tell like that. No, that is the thing. Eventually this happened. Eventually the success came, like that we used to tell. No, that is the thing. Let's see the examples. Don't worry, you will figure it out eventually. Thanks, I just need one more practice. More practice. Like some people are practicing some song or dance or something, and in between some audience are telling that don't worry, you will be okay with this at the end, or eventually you will be feeling this as a good thing. Don't worry about the you practice more. And the person also telling, yeah, I need more practice. And the next example we have, sorry, we got lost but eventually we found the right path. Glad you made it. One team has went for a picnic or some tour or some hiking, and they lost their way, and but at last they found the way, they found the right track. Glad that you made it. I am really happy that you made it, you came up from that difficulty. That is what it is mentioned here. Here is a vocabulary activity for day 20. You can make sentences with each of these words. 6 words are given here, and you know the meanings and its usages also. So you can try making sentences using each of the words and record it as an audio also and send it to your personal trainer and get it corrected. Don't make a delay in doing this. Now the calling activity for day 20, and the topic is challenge I overcame. That is, you can share about a challenge that you faced and how you managed to overcome challenge in your life or career or in your profession, or anything you can tell, and you can describe the lessons you learned during that process. We learn some lessons in our lifetime or in our career, or throughout our life we'll be getting some lessons to learn now. So you can tell about that also. You can have a good conversation with your personal trainer and